Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make oatmeal Mexican style. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 1/2 cup of rolled oats and 1 cup of your preferred milk, whether it's dairy or a plant-based option. Don't forget 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon and a tiny pinch of salt to enhance the flavors. For sweetness, have 1 tablespoon of piloncillo, grated, or brown sugar on hand. These few items are the foundation for a delicious and comforting breakfast. Now, let's get cooking. In a small saucepan, combine your 1/2 cup of rolled oats, 1 cup of milk, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and that tiny pinch of salt. Place the pot over medium heat and bring the mixture to a gentle simmer. Make sure to stir it occasionally to prevent the oats from sticking to the bottom. Continue cooking for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until the oatmeal reaches a wonderfully creamy consistency. This creates the perfect base for our Mexican-inspired breakfast. This is where the Mexican flavors truly come alive. Once your oatmeal is creamy, stir in 1 tablespoon of grated piloncillo or brown sugar. The warmth of the oatmeal will help the sugar dissolve beautifully, infusing a rich, caramel-like sweetness. Give it a quick taste and feel free to add a little more sugar if you prefer it sweeter. For an extra layer of warmth, a small dash of vanilla extract can be a delightful addition, making it even more inviting. Your delicious Mexican-style oatmeal is now ready to be enjoyed. Carefully pour the warm, fragrant oatmeal into your favorite serving bowl. Now comes the fun part: toppings. Consider adding some fresh fruit, like sliced bananas, juicy berries, or even a few mango cubes. For a delightful textural contrast, sprinkle on some chopped nuts such as pecans or almonds. Take a moment to savor this comforting and flavorful breakfast, a wonderful start to any day.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.